Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you something that I picked up recently at my favorite store in the world, the Hermes store. So I just want to break the news. I got another offer from my MSSA. This time it's another Kelly. Yes, and oh my god, this piece of handbag is the piece that I questioning my sanity. So after receiving the text message from my SA, I arranged an appointment and come in to see him the very next day. And here I am trying out the new Kelly at this store. So let's introduce you guys to my newest Kelly that I was able to add to my collections. Okay, this is crazy. So sit still, I guess. So just like any other days, I was scrolling down on my Facebook page and I saw this beautiful rodeo P-gaze, I believe that's what it's called. But when I text my essay, I told my essay, hello mister, this is the horsey with the wings, and I was so happy if one day you will offer me this horsey with the wings in this colorway. And then he was like, oh, we don't have that, but maybe this one. So in the end, he showed me a pictures of what he is offering to me, and I was like, okay, I'm coming in to pick it up. I was so happy, like a little baby, that he offered me this piece. But this is where everything turned funny, because when I came in, I checked out the piece, I fall in love with it. It's just so cute, I cannot pass it. So we walked up to the register, and I hand him the card, and he was like, oh, so this is how much this piece is. And I almost put it back, to be honest. I almost put it back. So here, let me show you what I got. So in this beautiful box come this beautiful dust bag. Okay, the scarf, it doesn't work for me, but the scarf is here for a reason. So here, let me introduce you guys to my new baby Kelly, and this really is a baby Kelly. Oh my god. Okay. So let me introduce you guys to Miss Kelly Idole. Ta-ta! So this Kelly Idole here, I think this is a limited edition that just came out recently. I only saw, well, the first time I have ever seen this is when my essay texted me, and I came in the very next day to pick it up. So that is the first time I have seen or heard of this baby. I have saw the bigger version, the handbag versions of this baby, and this is called the Kelly doll. And this is actual handbag, so you can open it up, and inside you could totally fit maybe some coin. But oh my gosh, it's just so cute. So I saw another versions of this charms before. I saw the one with the twilly the twilly strap, the one that you can hang it up on the purse. I saw that one before, but I have never seen this one. So when he texted me, how about this one, I was super happy. I said, okay, I'm coming in to pick it up right away. And I did the very next morning. And when I seen it, I love it. It's just so cute and beautiful. But here's the things about this baby. This baby is so expensive. Okay, in the back of my head, I thought, okay, I am cool with this. Maybe $1,200, maybe. That's what I thought in my head. So I was like, maximum for this baby is around $2,000. And I am okay with that price. I know that the MS game is just gonna get, you know, crazier and crazier, and I am crazy now, so I would go for it definitely. So I don't even care. And I think the problem with me that I assume but oh no, that's not the case. So this baby right here, we walk up to the register, and then he tell me, so your total come out to be da 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 da. And I was like, oh my god, are you serious? This tiny little things literally cost $3,996. Yes, you heard it right. The retail price for this baby right here is $3,620, and Chicago tax is crazy than most of the other places. So I end up paying $3,996 for this baby. So again, here is another unboxing from Hermes, and the reason that I wore the scarf today because I want to show up this baby. For a period of time, I was thinking of how to wear the Hermes scarf to, you know, the best way to wear it, and I am suck at tying scarf, and sometimes I feel like it's just too much effort to even tie it. So I have tried several different ways of wearing my scarf, and this right here is the Hermes ring that I got, and it's just a regular ring, but when I put it on, it just makes it so much easier for me to wear the scarf. And I feel like it is time for me to finally buy a scarf ring. And here I am. Let me show you what I got from the store. So my essay, he highly recommend this piece, and I see why. So this is really cute. It's a really nice accessory to have in your collections, and it's just like a piece of jewelry. It's come in this beautiful dust bag. Ta-da! It's just so cute, right? It's really, really nice, beautiful. It have the MS stamp on that side. I love the gold hardware, and it's also very easy to use. So it's my ring, and that's how I use it. Because like I say, I am really, really bad at tying my scarf. So my essay showed me while I was at the store how to use this scarf ring. And after putting it on, I feel like, where have I been all this time? I should be purchasing this a long time ago, not just right now. Because it just makes my life so much easier, and making the scarf look so much better. So this is how we use it. Just put it on, and it's already tied my scarf to the way I want it to be, right? So cool. So when my husband saw this baby, he asked me, what is this? Is this a toy? Why is it so expensive? And what is the purpose of these things right here? So I told him this is the bag charms. This is how us lady dressing up our handbag. So in the addition to the Kelly, in the addition to the twilly that you could tie on the handle, some of us love to have a rodeo to put on our bag, but I am upgrade my charms to another level. I purchased a whole new Kelly for my Kelly. So this is how so this is the purpose of this charms right here, just to dress up my bag. You see this? Oh my god, it's just so cute. Oh my god, it's just so cute. Look at that baby right there. And I mean the face, the way it has his hand out, it just feels so cute, so adorable. Oh my god, I cannot believe that this is mine. I am so happy, and it's okay to be crazy, I guess. When it's this cute, it's okay to be crazy. So that's it for my video today. I know some of you guys might think that I am crazy for purchasing this piece, and I do not regret, because this right here is a real investment. Okay, it's a real investment, so I am not regret a bit. On the other hand, the scarf make me so happy that I finally purchased the ring scarf for the first time, and I was thinking I need more. So I think I need a silver one just to match my rings, right? But most of my handbag are with the gold, gold hardware. So that's why I pick out the gold one, because I always fall in love with the gold one at first sight. But now I think I need a silver one as well. So what do you guys think about my purchase? Do you scare now that you know that this one costs $4,000? Because I did. And my husband called me crazy, but that's okay. It's okay to be crazy once in a while, right? So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can drop a comment down below. I will answer every single questions of yours. And if you like my channel, please consider to subscribe and give this video a thumb up while you are watching it. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys back on my next video. Bye bye.